So I'm going to be playing you a couple of sounds, and you're going to have to guess what they are. Here's sound number 1.
It sounds like someone's like mixing, or not mixing, but they have a spoon and a bowl or a cup and they're just twirling it around in there.
Is that your final guess?
Yeah.
It was stirring tea.
Oh.
Stirring tea. Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Here's sound number 2.
Ew. Someone drinking water or like dumping water from like a water bottle. Pouring water.
It was pouring water from a bottle, yes.
Okay.
Here's sound number 3.
What the heck? Can you play it again? Is that allowed? I have no clue.
It was rattling paintbrushes in a turtle.
What the? Okay.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Here's sound number 4.
That sounds like someone peeing. Either peeing or like pouring water into a bowl of water.
Last guess?
Peeing.
Peeing?
Yeah.
It was actually dumping soup in a toilet.
Oh, ew. It's like diarrhea.
Ready for sound number
5.
5?
Alarm clock.
You sure?
Yeah, one of those like old alarm clocks.
Here's sound number 6.
It sounds like someone's like walking or stomping on sand.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually stomping on snow. You're so
Ah.
close. Here's sound number 7.
Sounds like a train.
A train?
Yeah.
You sure?
Play it again. A train or someone putting coins in something? They're at the laundromat.
It's putting coins in a vending machine.
Hey.
Alright, ready? Next?
Yeah. It sounds like someone's digging through a toolbox.
A toolbox?
Yeah. A toolbox or like with something metal.
Anything specific you want?
Utensils.
Utensils like forks and spoons, you mean?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's keys.
Keys.
Keys on the key ring.
Oh my god. Does it sound like my keys?
Here's the next one.
I know that one. Shuffling a deck of cards.
No.
Flipping through a book.
No.
No, flipping through pages. I don't know.
No? You don't recognize it? Want me to play it again?
Yeah. Like scratching or like when you play with the blinds. That's my final guess.
It's the ripping of Velcro.
Velcro.
Yeah, the little. You hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, here's the next one.
Kind of sounds like when they put cash to count cash at the bank, that little machine. That or like they're what's that thing called? They're like drilling into the floor like a jackhammer. I'm gonna say jackhammer.
Jackhammer?
Yeah.
Last guess?
Yeah, final guess.
It's a car engine.
What the? Same thing.
Last. No, this one. Here's the next one.
I feel like I know this one. I feel like it's like cutting grass. But like, yeah, cutting grass.
Cutting grass?
Yeah.
Like you mean the lawnmower?
No.
What do you mean?
Like, you know those, the spinny ones where it just trims like the edges of the grass?
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are called strimmers.
Strimmers.
And yes, it is.
Nice.
Here's the next one.
That's a chainsaw.
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw.
For sure? Last guess?
It's either that or a leaf blower.
You have to choose one.
I'm gonna say chainsaw.
Chainsaw?
Yeah.
Okay. Correct.
A.
Next one.
That sounds like a lawnmower
For sure?
or a leaf blower. Dang it. I'm gonna say leaf blower.
Leaf blower? Final answer?
Yeah. Very unsure, but yeah.
Ooh, it was a lawnmower.
Dang it.
Sorry. Here's the next one.
It's an ambalam.
An ambulan?
Yeah.
You're right. Here's the next one.
It's like one of those old telephones. Or you're ringing a doorbell. I think it's a doorbell.
Doorbell?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
One of those old ones.
It does sound like those old phones, right?
Yeah.
I thought it was at first too until I read it. Here's the next one.
This one's a leaf blower.
Leaf blower?
Oh. Or a blender. Can you play it again?
Yes.
I'm gonna say blender.
Blender?
Yeah.
Correct.
Hey.
You should know.
It sounds like a jumper, like when you put air into the jumper.
For sure?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
No, sorry. It's a vacuum.
Oh, I haven't had one of those in years.
I haven't. There's a wood floor.
Yeah.
Last one.
Okay. And water through a drain.
Exactly.
Got him.
That's all of them. Alright, I'm gonna.